Physical and mental benefits of meditation. Do you find yourself wondering what if? What if I tried meditation? What are the benefits of meditation? These are all very good questions. These questions usually lead many people into trying meditation. The benefits of meditation are huge. It's been scientifically proven that there are both physical and mental benefits of meditation. What is meditation? Meditation is the ability to focus your mind so that you become relaxed and you can think clearly. Although it takes time and practice, anyone can achieve this state of mind. The secret to learning how to meditate is to simply take steps in the right direction. By taking small steps, you will be able to achieve what you want without feeling the need to give up. Can you give me an example of the benefits of meditation? The benefits of meditation range greatly depending on how long you've been practicing it. Since there are many different benefits which are both physical and mental, it's been broken into both categories. Physical benefits of meditation. The physical benefits of meditation range greatly, however, the biggest benefit is the reduction of stress. Stress can cause a lot of problems for the physical health of many people. Science has proven that stress can cause small physical problems such as migraines and colds, all the way up to hyperventilation and even heart disease. This is because when you become stressed, our autonomic nervous system kicks into overdrive. It causes our immune, digestive, and reproductive systems to virtually stop working while our heart rate and breathing rate increase. Also, our body starts pumping adrenaline through it at the same time. This causes the body to go into survival mode and give extra power to the outside muscles. By looking at this, we can tell that our bodies become highly overworked. We can also see why we have health problems when we are stressed out all of the time. Mental benefits of meditation. Stress affects our mental health as much as it does our body. By clearing our minds from time to time, we decrease the amount of stress that's on our mind. If you meditate daily, you will notice some huge benefits of meditation. You will feel more relaxed, less irritable, and have a clearer mind to think. Scientific research has also shown that you can decrease your chance of heart attack by 11% and stroke by 15%. How can I get started with the benefits of meditation? If you're looking to get started with meditation because you want the benefits of meditation, then you only have to dedicate yourself to it. If you follow the proper steps, you can become healthier than you have ever been. Resource box. If you're just starting meditation for the first time to receive the benefits of meditation, then you will want to do a couple of things. First, you'll need to set aside time for yourself so that you can meditate undisturbed. Finally, you will need to stay with it for more than a session. Many people get discouraged because they don't see the benefits of meditation right away. However, if you stick with it, you will be sure to see results. Physical and mental benefits of meditation.